So if you haven't already, make a copy of dynamic set file, then edit your set file. And the way a dynamic set file works is it's actually a series of arrays. And if you know what arrays are, this all makes sense. If you don't worry, I'll try and explain it so you can understand. The first thing here at the very top indicates the number of products that are installed. Now this section right here are your products. So if I were to count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this would be number 19. This number right here pertains to the product ID for this product right here. So if I look at this, 7748 pertains to my custom dictionary, Kingsway Customizations. This section under Windows indicates where the dictionaries are. These are in sets of 3s. So if I were to look at this, the very first dictionary or first product is Microsoft Dynamics. And so that will be a set of 3 right here. It pertains to where the dictionary is, where the forms is, and where the reports is. So for instance, if I come back down to my 7748 right here, oopsie, let me go back. 7748, which pertains to Kingsway Customizations, I know that I can come down here and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth one up. So if I count my dictionaries up, 3, 2, 1, 4. So here's my dictionary. So if I were to try and remove Kingsway Dictionary, I would reduce the number of products installed. I would remove the entry from the products right here, and then I would find the related dictionaries down here and remove them as well. Now conveniently, when I name my dictionaries, I use the product ID, so it makes it real easy to identify, and I can take it out like that. You must change this number here, because if that's not right, you're going to get a memory allocation error when you try and start up Great Plains. Now, a very simplistic, if I want to just test Great Plains, I can set that to 1, remove all but that little Windows, remove all these dictionaries here, and I have the most simplistic way of testing which dictionary will cause a problem. I can add them back one by one using my copy. So let's just go ahead and see what this does. So if I go back in my Great Plains directory, if I drag this dynamic set over this dynamics.exe, it will fire up that dynamic set file. And you'll typically get add-in errors if you take out everything. And that's pretty standard. That's because Great Plains uses add-ins. And if you are getting the error and you want to still continue to test it, go into your add-ins directory, take everything that's in here, zip it, now I have a lot in mind because I'm a developer and this is where I do my work at, so you probably won't have something like this. Okay, with everything zipped, I get rid of everything in there. And now, if I go back to my Dynamics directory, go to Dynamics Set, it's still getting an add-in. I know what that's from. That's from this little file right here. You can rename that to old, and it will come back to it. It'll recreate it, but with the dictionaries that are out there. Now that should take out all our little add-ins, because we removed the add-ins in the add-ins directory, removed the add-in reference that was in that Dynamics config file, and as you can see now, I can get to the startup window without any registration errors. I really hope that helps you. I have to leave. I'm sorry, but good luck.